Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, all four Google Pixel 9 series smartphones appeared in first live photos. All four models Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL and Pixel 9 Pro Fold new final details are confirmed. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. A month before the presentation, almost everything is known about the new Google Pixel 9 family of smartphones. Another leak brought the specifications and photos of all four models. At the same time, it was confirmed that the folding smartphone Pixel 9 Pro Fold received a new design, improved cameras, and a more capacious battery, although the problem with autonomy will remain. According to ARS Technica, the Pixel 9 is expected to be unveiled on August 13. But thanks to the certification of the devices by regulatory bodies, in particular Taiwan's National Communication Commission (NCC), we already see photos of all four models Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Data on the dimensions, weight, battery life, charging speed of the devices have also become known, and they have also appeared in disassembled photos. According to the previous leaks, will be a hefty 16GB for the Pixel 9 Pro. However, Google has previously noted that some generative AI models will require a lot of RAM. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro will have a 4558 mAh battery, while the larger Pixel 9 Pro XL will have a 4942 mAh battery. According to NCC documentation, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold has seen significant changes compared to the current Pixel Fold. Its outer display has become more elongated in shape. The cameras are now located in a square block, with the front camera on the inner screen moving to the corner. The bezels around the screen have become thinner, and the fold is less noticeable. And interestingly, the new Fold can fold completely, unlike the previous model, which had a noticeable gap. The new Google Pixel 9 Fold will have a 4560 mAh battery, down slightly for its predecessor. ARS Technica's Pixel Fold review noted that Google has managed to integrate the largest battery in its category. All four Pixel phones will support the Thread wireless protocol as well as ultra wideband UWB, with the exception of the base Pixel 9. The new smartphones will come with Google's new 45-watt charger. It is expected that the new smartphones will officially launch in mid-August this year. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.